Hi, I am Jo from Textile Craft with Jo, and tonight I'm going to be doing some beads. Some Sari silk yarn beads. And I've cut some really hard straw to about this size, and I'm going to wrap them. And then to fasten them, I'm going to use double-sided tape because it's very strong. I'm going to cut it to size of these. And then take them off. And then I'm going to wrap them. I might put a little extra. Around the ends so it's a bit easier to keep them on there. This is trial and error. Trial and error. This is the first one that I've made, so there's always going to be stuff ups until you get it right. Yeah, this is going to take ages. What did I do? But anyway, I thought once I get a little bit better with this, I'm going to spray them with a clear acrylic, or put them in resin and make them harder. This is only the first one, so it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. Try again. I've got a hand-eye coordination problem. Silk everywhere. Oh, this is so sticky. I'm all tangled up. What if I put this down the center, right? And then I wrap around it. Like so. And then cut it. Oh, that looks better. How about that one? Looks cool. It's a lot neater too, so I like that. Putting the yarn up the center first and then wrapping it. And then I'm thinking maybe the resin would be better, because then it'll be a hard bead, but it will trap all the fibers in the inside. Maybe. It's sticky. Ugh. I like them. They're a little addictive, but I do like using the straw better. It's a lot easier, and it's a lot easier to get material for than the wooden beads, because the wooden beads are expensive, aren't they? I would presume they are. Everything is these days. Yay! So I'm going to do something with, when I figure out how to make it more stable, the best way to make it stay together, I will do another episode, another video sharing how I set them. So I'm just going to do videos making them, and then at the end, when I've got heaps of them to set, I'll do another video and show how I set them. But maybe just the clear acrylic, crystal clear acrylic's enough. Maybe, which is like a spray can. Otherwise I've got to paint the resin on top and then set them, which might be okay, because then I can just make little skewer stands or something and have them dry on that. But yeah, thank you so very much for joining me. I hope you did enjoy this. Please give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet. And hit the all notification bell if you'd like to be the first to get notified when I put a video out. Bye for now. Bye bye.